Hey guys, it's Christina with My Confection Obsession, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an Easter basket cake. So Easter's coming up, and every year I love to bake something for Easter, and I thought this year I would make an Easter basket cake to celebrate. I think they look really cute, and they're actually really easy. So I'm going to be using white for the basket. You can of course use any color that you want your basket to be. We are going to need green for our Easter grass, and then whatever Easter candy you want to decorate your basket with. I'm just going to be using jelly beans because I kind of like the more simple look. So for this, we are going to start off by piping our basket weave. And so I am using 3 different tips for this tutorial. So our basket weave is going to be with a tip number 47. The grass is a grass tip number 233. And then for our basket border, I'm going to be using a 1M. So for our basket weave, you're going to see that the tip has, one side has little tiny lines in it that will show like a realistic, like the basket grid lines. And we actually do want that facing up, so it's gonna actually show when we pipe it on our cake. So to begin our basket weave, we're gonna pipe a vertical line down our cake. And I'm not pressing into the cake, I'm barely even touching it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pipe horizontal lines across, leaving some space in between. So then I'm going to pipe another vertical line going down, touching the end of my horizontal line. And then this time when I make my horizontal lines, I'm going to start in the space in between. So where that little hole is, and pipe it across. So you can see how that starts to look like a basket. It looks really cute. You just need a bit of a steady hand and some patience. So I'm going to go ahead and continue all the way around the cake. I had to stop and take a few breaks because my hand did cramp up, so be prepared for that. So the side is done, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pipe a border around the top. And so I am using my 1M tip, and I'm just going to pipe using my star tip like this all around the top of our basket. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to hide the edge. So now that we have piped our basket border along the top, the last thing that we need to do is add a little bit of grass. So I used this shade of green. I think this kind of looks like that weird artificial grass that you see in the Easter baskets. And this is a tip 233. And I'm just going to, all over the cake, just pipe straight up. And this is nice because there's really no technique to it. Okay, so our grass is done, and the final step to this is just to decorate it with a little bit of Easter candy like you would in an Easter basket. I am just using these bright jelly beans. I think the contrast will look really nice. So I am just going to start placing these all over. Okay, so our Easter basket cake is complete. I think it looks super darling, and this is perfect for any Easter celebration. I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you did, please give it a like and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And of course, you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter.